It's the chicken's birthday, and we have 4 new ones that I did not make a video for. They're partridge rocks and sapphire gems. There's 2 of each. And we still have Sarah. She's probably laying an egg. It's her 9th birthday, and the other chicken's 1st birthday. Look at her laying an egg. And that's the other one. They're not gonna come out, I guess. But we'll feed these for now. There's cantaloupe and collard greens and tomato. Sarah's coming out. This is Betty, that's Ira, and that's Pooja. And inside is Iggy, Exalia. She's still laying eggs at 9 years old. We got them in 2013, which means we had her for 9 years. Iggy's not gonna come out though, I guess. He's broody maybe. Here's the eggs from the other 3. This is this is Betty's, this is Pooja's, and that one's Ira. And Sarah still has to lay hers, and this might have distracted her from laying it, but it's her birthday, so she needs it. The last video I made, I think it was of Susie cleaning her feathers. She died like exactly a month after that video, unfortunately. She was just sick and we did a lot, and she was just weak for a few days and she passed away. But Sarah is still healthy and laying eggs, and I wouldn't be surprised if she gets 10 years old because she's never been sick in her whole life. She's the pet I've had for the longest ever. I'll go put the eggs in a basket. And let's see if Iggy already laid her egg. No, she has not. Okay. And their favorite part? We also have some chard. Favorite part is eating it out of my hands. If they notice it. Okay, maybe not. Pooja likes it. Nope, they like the other stuff better. Betty likes it. Betty's the only one that kind of lets me pet her. The rest just get so scared. And Betty's nice. That's the video. I'm keeping it short. I might post more videos, but I really don't have a schedule at all. Oh, Iggy's coming out. Maybe we'll wait for her to eat some. Come on. Come on. There she goes. Okay, everyone, eat. We're just gonna end it when Pooja decides to join them. Betty, no, come back. Okay, we're just waiting to get a shot with all of them eating. Okay, never mind. That'll do it. Bye. See you next time. Happy birthday, Sarah, 9 years. And happy birthday to the other 4. I've had them for 1 year, but they were a month old when I got them. 1 year. Bye.